morning, YouTube fam. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna change things up a little, so stick around. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload new vlogs. Let's head over now to Veronica and see what she's up to.
Hi, I'm making some burger today. I'm using some ground beef, but you can use any ground chicken or ground turkey, your preference. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of mixed pepper. I'm adding a half a tablespoon of salt. I'm adding a tablespoon of oregano and a tablespoon of parsley. 2 tablespoons of ground green seasoning. A tablespoon of mustard. And I'll add about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Now I'll add a little bit of chili pepper. Okay, so now I'll be combining my ground beef with all the ingredients I add together. This is what it looks like when I combine all my ingredients. Now I'll go ahead and make the patties for the burger. So we'll let it sit here for about 5 minutes and then we'll put it on the grill. I'm going to use a half a cup of ketchup. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of mustard, 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, a half a teaspoon of chili pepper, and I'll mix all of those together. And this would be the sauce that I put on the patty when I put it on the bread. Now I'm placing the patty on the grill that was preheated low to medium heat. I'll let it sit here for maybe 3-4 minutes and then I'll flip it on the other side. Okay. So now I'll be flipping the patty on the other side. To make the burger. So the bun we're using today is Pepperidge Farm Sesame. So now I'll toast the bun before I make the burger. Toast there for a little bit. Okay, so now the bun is toasted and this is what it looks like. So I'll take it off now the grill. We have some cucumber, some lettuce, and some tomato. So let's go ahead and make the burger. Remember the sauce that I mixed earlier? I'll take a little and I'll put it at the bottom. Then I'll take a patty and put it on top. Then I'll take more of the sauce, put it on the patty. Take a lettuce, a tomato. Cucumber, and the lettuce. Now rub that sauce again. Make the burger. Delicious burger.
Alright guys, the burger is done and it's ready. But guess what we made the drink? Peanut punch. Yeah, peanut punch. Back when I was in Guyana, I used to go all the way down to Empire Cinema. Next to Empire Cinema used to have a store. I used to go there and get peanut punch. If my peeps in Guyana know that place, leave a comment down below. Alright, let's get into this burger. Alright, let's see what you got here. It's looking so delicious. So delicious. For my GT peeps, this is way better than Demico. Back in the day, I used to go Demico. Put in the comment, let me know if Demico is still around. And look what we got here. Peanut punch. Yeah. Peanut punch. So today's dinner going to be burgers and peanut punch. The boss lady went full out today. We want to give a special thank you to our subscribers and viewers. So those of you who haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload new vlogs.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below.
Now, let's get into this burger. Alright, let's see what is it. Let's taste the boss lady hands. Really good. Boss lady, yeah. If you want to hire her to make burgers, yeah, go ahead. That's a joke. 100%. Recommend it. Boss lady hands is pretty good. Let's try the peanut punch now. Nothing beats a homemade dinner. Dinner was excellent. The burger came out great, juicy, tasty. Peanut punch was the bomb. So, yeah, was the bomb.
We'll leave the recipe down below. Give it a try and leave in the comments below what you think about the recipe.
As of now, we're signing off from home. Until next time, we catch you on the road.
Bye guys.
Peace.